The Saiyin 5.0 surround system provides a high-quality audio experience with its combination of four bookshelf speakers and a central speaker, ensuring an immersive surround sound from every angle. This home theater system is designed to enhance dialogue clarity, making every line in movies and television shows crystal clear and easy to understand. With flexible installation options, the Saiyin system can be placed on shelves, stands, or walls, allowing customization to fit any room layout and optimize sound positioning. The classic retro wooden enclosures are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also help in reducing sound resonance, adding a nostalgic charm to your home entertainment setup. To operate, these passive speakers require an amplifier or receiver along with speaker wires, which are not included, providing flexibility for those who already own compatible equipment. Saiyin's thoughtful design and attention to detail make this home theater system a perfect choice for those seeking both style and superior sound quality.